There's an overcast today. When you're on the Malecon, you get this nice cool breeze. Down these streets, it's muggy, like it's sticky. Sticky icky icky.
There we go. Did I ever tell anyone when I met Kelly, she had a house full of cats?
I had two.
There was like 6.
I had my cat stay for a long, long time, and then I started like traveling and like going away anytime I could. So then I felt guilty, so I got Steve a cat, and
then Steve had a cat, and then the other cat had a cat, and then the other cat had a cat. So there's like 20 cats.
And then Tamar already wasn't a cat person, and then when I moved in with my 2 cats, the one I just adopted right before I met him and moved, she decided to pee on his leather couch. Move in. I haven't got out in a while, so. Alright. Don't mind us just getting situated. You may be wondering why there's 3 margaritas here. You know in the last video how I said I can't pass up a deal? Here we are. It was not 2 for 1, it was 3 for 2. We haven't even been drinking yet, okay?
I don't taste it though. I mean, it tastes good, but it just tastes more like mango.
We haven't done, it's tasty. We haven't done mango margaritas in a while, and we forgot. Most of the time it comes with the tahini. I think that's what that is. That'll, oof. I already said, talked about that, but.
Yeah, but do you taste the liquor?
I know what you're saying. I don't know. I'll let you know.
No. And that's not because I don't drink.
We all know that.
Exactly. So TJ's doing a camp.
Again, yeah.
Yeah. And so that we get some time off. And then recently we posted a, Instagram. And
on YouTube too. We did a short on our 1-bedroom apartment because we've been in it for a month now. And it was supposed to only be a month, but then the more we were looking and everything else, and then where we found where we want for TJ to go to school, it's perfect location. We can walk everywhere. We just didn't want to be far out of the city. You could get a bigger house outside of town, but we like where we're at, the location.
Someone messaged, like people do in social media, and I guess you can't really blame them because, we put ourselves in this position for people to critique what we do. And here we are, all 3 of us living in a 1-bedroom apartment. The 1-bedroom apartment that we live in, it is huge compared to where we're coming from. Our kid loves being around us. He really does.
If he could sleep in bed with us still, he would. We do not let him anymore because he just is all over the place.
Yeah.
So he does have a pull-out bed. He has his own space, so he can sleep in the room with us, which he prefers that, but sometimes we'll put him out in the living room on his bed. It's nice to have adult time, and we do get that even in our 1-bedroom apartment. Yeah, but I mean, I'm sure people are questioning, not RVers. RVers, I think, understand, even though their kids are probably separated, you're still in a small space.
In a world where parents don't even know what their own kids are doing, and a lot of times they find out what their kids were doing after some major incident where some school gets shot up, and then the parents say, I had no idea that my kid was doing this. Here we are choosing to have our kid close to us, and then you have people who care enough to comment about it. Like, I don't care.
Our child, he needs his own room. Says who? Who made that rule?
So to everyone who thinks that's a problem, I think the problem is you need to get out of the woods, the backwoods that you live in, and probably venture out. Venture out. Go somewhere different. See how other people live. Not every kid grows up with their own room. Not every kid wants their own room. See,
TJ's getting a very cool, different life. He gets to meet people from all over the world, all different types of backgrounds, just different cultures that I didn't get growing up. I had it good. I had my own room, my own bed, I had cars, you know, like I had it really good, but this is just a different way of life that we're choosing to go. And it makes us happy, so it doesn't matter, right?
Exactly.
TJ's happy, we're happy.
Some people choose to have one bedroom for each child. You end up with a 2,500, 2,600 square foot house. You use probably a quarter of it because the other spaces you barely go in. And then when the kids are all over the house, you have no idea what the kids are doing. In the other hand, we're deciding not to do any of that, to have a smaller place. And I hope no one feels sorry for us, all right? Everything that we're going through and experiencing, it's by our own choosing. After raising 3 older girls, 3 daughters from my first marriage, and seeing how much time I spent away, and then now realizing how those kids are older, I'd much rather take where I am right now. Enjoy TJ while we can, because there's gonna come a point where he's gonna say, all right, that's enough. You guys can leave, all right? I want my own space.
Yeah.
But until that day comes, I wanna enjoy it.
I'm good. I want to be in every spot he is, so this 1-bedroom room is great. I can just go there, wherever TJ, I always got somebody I can go hover around.
We are spending 100% of the time, 100% of the hours of the day with our kid. I don't mind being around my family. Every night, I would say at least 4 nights out of a week, before TJ goes to bed, he says family hugs.
Yeah.
And we all sit there in bed and we hug. And then he goes off before he goes to bed.
We kick him out of the bed because he doesn't want to get out. No.
All right. Okay, family hug is over.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just wanted to rant on that for a little bit. And while I'm doing that, hopefully you can enjoy our view from wherever you are.
Oh, dang. What happened?
She wasting time. You know, I'm over here talking and I'm still drinking. And what is she doing? Listen to me. I ain't even listening to me. All right. Hey, oh, by the way, don't forget, like and subscribe. And
ding that bell.
And what is this called, by the way? I cannot pronounce it.
Tahine, right?
What?
Tahine.
Tahim?
Tahine.
Tahim?
Comment below. Pronounce it.
Ah.
Like, just write it out.
Hasta luego.
Oh, you alright? Hasta luego.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.